I know you've probably been taught research in class, you've done the class, you've passed the course, and you have been given a supervisor and you expected your research to be very, very easy. But a lot of your seniors have told you that this research thing is very hard. You're going to have issues from your supervisor, your topic may get changed, your topic may get cancelled 5 days to the exam. You've heard a lot of things. This video is particularly going to help you with tips that you can use when you start your research project as a final year nursing student, so that you have it easy and you don't have problems with your supervisor. Disclaimer: this video is not going to teach you how to write the research itself. If you want a video like that, I'll link it here because I filmed a video like that, or anywhere up here. I filmed a video like that previously where I talked about how to write your chapter 1, chapter 2 and chapter 3. But for this particular video is on how to relate well with your supervisor, how to get your research process easily. I will get my point. So let's go. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Busari Imoliayo and I'm a registered nurse living and practicing in Nigeria. On this channel, I film content related to nursing and healthcare. So if you're interested in content like that, do join the YouTube family by clicking on the subscribe button and also on the bell icon so you get a notification whenever I drop another amazing video. With that being said, let's get into tip 1. Tip 1 is that before you start your research at all, before you even choose a topic or start suggesting topic for your supervisor, try to get to know who your supervisor is. And when I say trying to get to know who your supervisor is, it's not just about the name of your supervisor, it's about the course your supervisor takes and asking questions from those that your supervisor has supervised in the past. And why do I think this is important to make your research process easy? Now, your supervisor in one way or the other is going to influence the topic of your research, either you like it or not. I know you have been told that the research is about you and you are most likely going to be researching into a topic of your own interest, but there are two people involved in the research, yourself and your supervisor, and you need to know that they are going to supervise what they understand. You are not going to be a nursing student and you are trying to research on a project that is on a paper that is about social science and you expect your supervisor to approve that topic. This is one of the reasons that a lot of students find it difficult to get their supervisors to approve their topic on time. So before you even suggest a topic, what course does your supervisor take normally? So for example, you have supervisor A and supervisor B. You and a friend of yours or a colleague of yours are split under two different supervisors. Supervisor A is taking mental health, is a mental lecturer. Do you get what I'm trying to say? And supervisor B takes med-surg. It will be advisable for you under supervisor A to look for a topic linked to mental health that you are interested in. You know, you're actually taking a topic of your interest, you're still in line with that, but you're considering the course that your supervisor takes to make it easier for them to approve your topic. This is a tip that I've given to a lot of nursing students and it always works. If supervisor B is taking med-surg, try to look for a topic of interest under med-surg so you can get your topic approved faster. Number 2, when I say trying to get to know your supervisor, ask from those who have been supervised by that particular person. Ask them, does he prefer emails? Does he prefer phone calls? Does he prefer you bringing the hard copy of your research papers to him to review and correct, or he prefers you just sending him an email and he'll give you feedback? Know the style of your supervisor. Probably you have a female supervisor and she's married and she doesn't like her students calling her in the middle of the night. Don't make the mistake of calling that person in the middle of the night, because that is going to give you a lot of problems. It's common sense. She's married, she probably has things that she's doing at home, and you cannot be expecting her to pick your call 10 p.m. in the night to correct your research. Don't give yourself problem. So get to know the course your supervisor is taking and try to tailor your topic towards that to get it approved on time. Number 2, try to know the style of your supervisor, if they love emails, if they prefer phone calls. Even try to know their schedule. When do they come to school? There are some supervisors that will not be in school every day. Some will be on school on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Ask those that have been supervised, like ask your seniors who were supervised by that particular person, the times and the styles and do's and don'ts, the rules and personal principles of that supervisor. I hope you get my point. Now that you've gotten to know your supervisor, you know their style, you've picked a topic that they would most likely approve on time. Another thing I'm going to advise is start as early as possible. If you get your research done or your research topic approved today, start today. Don't wait till your, let's say your HOD says, all right, you guys should go and start meeting your supervisors, you guys should start your research, or probably you guys should start submitting your chapter 1 and chapter 2 to your supervisor. You guys should start submitting your research proposal before you start something. Don't wait till that point, because then you're going to be rushing, and you already know that you are going to do this research, you already know you're going to submit it for your council exam. If you can start asking people for suggestion of research topic before you even resume school, please do it. Do everything as fast as possible. Don't wait till the time that they will say, oh yeah, start submitting your topics. You can already start getting like topic suggestions from your seniors, from your friends in other schools. Start getting them down before you even get into like the school, before the semester even resumes. You already have like a long list of topics from different courses that you might want to research on, so that once they say submit your topic, you are not running around looking for topic. You have already gotten everything. Okay, then another thing I'm going to say is that once you start early, you need to learn certain things when you're writing your research. You need to learn citation, referencing, and the format. These 3 things are very important. So I'm going to link a document in the description box of this video that talks about the format for your research, and probably on how to cite and reference the upper 7th edition. I think that's the latest one, or I'll try to confirm if that's the latest one and look for it. The document and link is below in the description box. This is one thing. Fine, we know some supervisors can be very mean, and they will probably see some mistakes and they will tear your paper and throw it away. Failing to reference your work properly or failing to cite your work properly is one thing that can make your supervisor tear your paper and throw it away. It's better that you learn how to cite and reference your papers early enough. So I'll leave a document in the description box below so that you guys can probably go through it and learn how to do it on time. So these are some of the tips that I've always given to my nursing students, like my community members, and I felt I should just make it to a video and post it so that when people tell me they don't know what to do about their research, I can easily send this video to them. Don't forget to share this video, like, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.